The National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration released its outlook for the winter, and we want to bring in Robert Suhr because this is something that he's been watching for us, and we all want to know, like, predict the future for us. Robert, what can we expect?
Well, that's a tough question, but remember that historic cold we saw last winter coupled with several rounds of snow? Well, that happened during a La Nina winter. And NOAA, the governing body that oversees the National Weather Service, says another La Nina winter is on the way. This morning, NOAA released its winter forecast that covers December, January, and February. On average, above normal temperatures are expected across our area and much of the South. And what's interesting is above average precipitation is also expected across northern parts of the state. Now, don't repack those hoodies and heavy winter jackets just yet, because La Nina winters can and still have wild temperature fluctuations and winter storms. Officials think right now Pacific sea surface temperatures will lead to a more moderate La Nina.
The best expectation is that this will be a moderate event, perhaps a more upper end moderate event given some of the forecasts, model guidance that we have with the actual eventual Central Pacific SST departures from normal. It doesn't rule out a strong event, but currently the probabilities are probably under 20% for that to occur.
Now, this is the first back-to-back La Nina, or what's called a double-dip La Nina, since 2007, Paige.
All right, this is something I'm kind of excited about. I know he was like, it's moderate, don't get too excited, don't bust out your bathing suit and think you're going to land at the pool, but it's going to be warmer.
Well, in theory, remember, we had warm spells last winter, and it still got to 20 below at times.
So at least more pockets of
Yeah,
warmth.
I think with the La Nina, we could have more extremes. It could get really, really warm and then really, really cold. So we'll just have to see.
Yeah.
But I want the snow.
I know.
Bring on the
You're
snow.
a snow
That's
guy,
what I
aren't
say.
you?
Yes, but no snow out there today, and no snow this weekend, unfortunately, at least in this part of the country. You go up toward Lake Tahoe, 1 to 3 feet of snow could be falling there. They're certainly lucky, but we've got lots of sunshine for Northwest Arkansas this weekend. Friday or tomorrow will be quite nice, and then we're watching for a couple of evening sprinkles, maybe a stray shower. Those could last into early Saturday morning. It's Sunday. That's the day where we're watching for more widespread instability and showers and thunderstorms. In terms of the River Valley, I think they'll miss out on the early weekend rain, but not the late weekend rain. That's where they could also see showers and thunderstorms. There's Old Main all lit up there, kind of ghoulish with that green, kind of like a Halloween color. 68 today in Fayetteville, a degree shy of your average, which is already down to 69. It feels like a couple of weeks ago, those average temperatures were in the 90s. Meanwhile, Fort Smith, you got up to 76 today, 2 degrees above average. Look at that record, 1978, 92. I'm done with the 90s for the next couple of months. Temperatures right now mostly Drakefield already down into the upper 40s, as is Bella Vista. But the River Valley still hanging on to the mid-50s on average. 50 right now in Huntsville and Eureka Springs. We'll take you hour by hour. A crisp night out there tonight. Waking up tomorrow morning. Some locations lower 40s. Again, flirting with the upper 30s out there. Then we'll go through the day. By tomorrow night, you can see straddling the state line up toward McDonald County. A couple of stray sprinkles. I think the bulk of the worst of the weather should stay across extreme southern sections of Missouri, but all of the rainfall should, as of right now, stay north of Highway 412 Friday night into Saturday. Then we turn our attention to this cold front that will make its way toward our area Sunday night and into Monday. And this has a little bit more zest to it and could touch off scattered showers and thunderstorms, some of which could be strong to severe as that front slides through. In fact, Storm Prediction Center already highlighting our entire area with a 15% chance of severe weather on Sunday. Definitely something that we'll be following closely. Lows tonight, again, mostly lower 40s to upper 40s across the entire region. We'll rebound tomorrow quite nicely, back up into the 70s on average for just about everybody. Here's the extended forecast, and you can see that rainfall Friday night into Saturday for Northwest Arkansas. Most of Saturday and most of Sunday should be dry. It's, bookending the weekends. That's when we could see the rain. Right now, Monday looks dry before more rainfall for the middle part of next week. Same thing in the River Valley. I think if you're going to the race on Saturday afternoon, it should be dry. And then we're watching for that rainfall and those thunderstorms to roll back in here Sunday night and into Monday. Stay with us. We've got more 4029 News at 9 right after the break.